Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a super useful tip for working in Google Sheets, how to select and edit multiple tabs at the same time, plus how to perform some basic actions like changing tab colors. If you've ever found yourself clicking back and forth between different sheets, wishing there was a quicker way to make changes across several tabs, this tutorial is just what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to streamline your workflow and save yourself a whole lot of time in clicking. Let's jump right in. So imagine you're working in Google Sheets and you have several tabs. Maybe it's sales numbers for different quarters or project plans for multiple teams. Sometimes you want to make the same change in more than one tab without having to repeat the process over and over. Here, how you do it. First, make sure you actually have multiple sheets, meaning those little tabs down at the bottom of your Google Sheets file. Each tab represents a different page or sheet where your data lives. If you only see one, try adding a few just to follow along. Now to select more than one sheet, you'll want to use the Control key on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, go ahead and use the Command key, it works the same way. Here, what you do, hold down your Control key, and while you keep holding, click on each of the sheet names at the bottom that you want to select. For example, maybe you want to change 3 out of 6 tabs, hold Control, then click on those 3. You'll notice that the ones you've selected become highlighted, making it easy to see which tabs are grouped together. And just to reassure you, if you accidentally select a tab you didn't mean to, you can Control-click again to deselect it. Take your time with this, especially if you've got a lot of tabs. It's kind of like picking out which files you want to send in an email, just that simple. Now comes the part where we actually perform an action on all those selected tabs at once. One of the most common things people like to do is change the color of their tabs. This can help you organize your Google Sheet, maybe give each project its own color or group quarterly reports by season. Once you've got all your desired tabs selected, just right-click on one of the highlighted tabs. A menu will pop up. Find the option that says Change Color. You'll see a palette of colors to choose from. Go ahead and pick the color that best fits your needs. You'll see instantly all the tabs you selected will turn that color. This is especially helpful if you want to make sure similar sheets stand out or if you want to make your spreadsheet easier for your team to navigate. One quick note, while you can change colors and certain basic actions across multiple tabs, be aware that editing the actual content inside the sheets doesn't work the same way in Google Sheets. So you're mainly using this for formatting and organizing your tabs. And that's really all there is to it. Hold down Control, click the sheet tabs you want, right-click, and then select Change Color. It's a small trick that can make a big difference when you're juggling lots of data. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want more tips like this, please drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.